She stares, and people notice her. She speaks, and her persona reveals more mystery. She dares, and the whole world talks about it. Finally, Bella Padilla emerges from the shadows of intrigues and criticisms. Dito lang sa Showbiz Exclusives.
Gumawa ng ingay at pinag-usapan ng mga tao worldwide ang kanyang unang sexy cover.
At may bago siyang pelikula na siguradong aabangan ng lahat.
Mga kapuso, let's all welcome Miss Bella Padilla!
Hello,
Hello! Bella, nako ha, usap-usapan ngayon yung sexy cover mo na naging controversial kasi nga pinag-usapan na nagkaroon ito ng issue. Bakit nga ba? Ano ba talaga nangyari at umabot pa tong worldwide?
Ako sa tingin ko, it started lang kasi lahat sa social networking sites like on Twitter and Facebook. I think a few people lang voiced out their opinions. Kaya siya lumaki ng lumaki. Hanggang sa... Actually, ako hindi ko pa rin napapansin nung una. Pero may nag-tweet lang sa akin na to check out, parang sabi lang, check out this link. Tapos dun ko nakita lahat. So,
yung mga tao nga, iba-iba yung naging reaction.
Pero,
ano ba yung present sa'yo na concept?
Kasi I think sa lahat ng naging cover girl, they ask for opinions din. My only request was kailangan nasa water. Kasi ayoko mag-shoot ng swimsuit na, alam mo yun, parang
wala namang connection
sa
water.
water. Kasi ako, I only wear swimsuits.
Oo,
diba? Swimsuit nasa
swimsuit sa sala.
Swimsuit sa bedroom. Actually, that was one of the concepts. Parang swimsuit pero nasa mansion. So I didn't get it. I didn't see the logic in it. So my only request was water lang.
Pero, ito talaga yung concept. Talagang may mga models na...
They showed me a picture. The photographer showed me a picture of, ganyan, parang may girls na medyo dark-skinned and one fair-skinned in the middle. Tapos may options. Merong yung fair-skinned nasa likod naman, ganyan. So, may variation. Kaya lang, it so happens na in this picture, ako yung fair-skinned. And since ako yung fini-feature nila, laging ako yung nasa gitna.
Okay. Pero I'm sure naman hindi naman talaga yun yung dapat gustong kalabasan ng
yung
FHM,
message.
diba?
Yeah, kasi I see a lot of nice pictures with, yun nga, may variation na maganda lumalabas. Kaya nung nakita ko yung peg, na-excite din ako. Maganda to. Maganda yung kakalabas.
Different concept, diba?
Very
Actually,
different.
maganda.
Parang I haven't seen
Maganda, actually, diba?
Oo, maganda.
Thank you.
Okay, so Bella, we know na nagpaalam ka sa pamilya mo, kay Miss Eva Carino, kay Mr. Robin Padilla, before you post. Pero, nung lumabas yung controversy, ano naman yung naging reaction nila?
I got feedback from them when it came out na, and they're all really proud of what I did for NHM. Kasi it doesn't look, for me, I see it na very elegant. So, and that's how they saw it also. Tapos nung pumutok na yung issue, medyo dun sila nag-show ng support talaga. So, nakakatuwa naman.
Pero curious kami dahil alam namin first time mo mag-post for a sexy magazine. Paano ka naganda? I mean, what did you do?
Hindi ako masyado nakaprepare, pero I went jogging 2 nights sa UP.
2 nights lang? Yun na yun? Yun na yun? Sa ganyang katawan?
Na-shock din ako kasi na mag-shoot na ako. So, nakapag-jogging naman.
Pero yung iba hindi kumakain.
Mag-jogging tayo ng 2 nights?
Tara!
Hindi ka pwede mag-jogging.
Yung iba di ba hindi kumakain, ganyan. Ganun din ba ginawa mo?
Hindi naman masyado. Not yung normal lang. Kasi hindi ako naniniwala sa crash diet. Hindi naman. Pero hindi ako naniniwala kasi sa crash diet. Para mas lalo akong tumataba.
Okay.
Alam mo na, Max. Alam mo na.
Ito, another question. Siyempre, you're part of the new show, Hiram na Puso.
Yes.
Ano yung role mo dito and how are you feeling about this new project of yours?
I'm very excited. I wasn't supposed to be part of this show. I was supposed to be part of a different show. Pero I'm thankful na dito ako nalagay kasi sobrang ganda ng story namin. Very different from everything I've done. Parang ito yung pinaka-realistic. Alam mo yun, walang buhusan ng acid sa face. Walang ganun. So, very bago to. Alam mo yun, walang kontrabida. Hindi siya definite. So, very new. And 1 week na kaming umi-ere. So, thank you sa lahat ng nanonood.
Wow.
Kasi,
at mataas ang rating.
yes, nakikita ko sa Twitter na na-appreciate naman na yung show namin. So, thank you.
And may movie rin.
Oo, may movie, may Kontrabida Girl.
Kontrabida Girl with
What can
Rian
you
and
say
Dazzler.
about this film naman?
It's just gonna be a whole 2 hours of laughs. I mean, every scene, highlight ng movie. Walang parang downtime. Tawa ka lang ng tawa sa buong movie. So, expect na nila yun. Sobrang kakaiba to.
Anong role mo dito?
I'm playing one of Alger's girlfriends.
Okay.
Girlfriends talaga.
Ang dami kami doon.
Hanggang sa pelikula?
Kasi hindi na siya baby. Ay!
At hanggang sa pelikula, ang dami pong girlfriend ni Andrew. Pero Bella, at the rate things are going in your career, anong masasabi mo? Happy ka ba?
If I'm gonna rate it from 1 to 10. Kasi at the rate I'm going.
Happy ka?
I'm super happy from 1 to 10. 10. I'm at 11 right now.
Bongga!
Yes, I'm
super
Ikaw.
happy.
Oh, 11 din.
Ay,
Siyempre,
ikaw.
Ikaw.
12. Okay na. Kahit ano. Kahit ano.
Oh, ayan. Also, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Invite mo na yung mga tao manood ng Hirap na Puso and of course, may Kontrabida Girl.
At bumili ng FH.
Oo naman, ang dami-dami.
Tama.
Sold out
Actually,
na.
sold out na siya sa maraming stores. So, thank you sa lahat ng bumili ng FHM na anniversary issue. I wanna say thank you to all of you guys. Ayan, please watch Hiram na Puso Mondays to Fridays po after Eat Bulaga and My Kontrabida Girl. Out na po March 14. Ayan. And thank you to Lynelle for my hair. Autograph signing ko na po tomorrow.
Saan?
Sa Robinson's Gallery at 6 p.m. I want to say thank you to Nika for coming with me from Summit. Nika, thank you.
Nako, I'm sure
Ayan.
maraming pupunta doon.
Oo, dadagsayin ka ng mga tao doon.
Thank you again, Bella.